Namaste. So let's do an unboxing of this box of 120 Brutfona. I love pencils as a medium more than any other medium, frankly. I like markers because it's faster to finish a page, but real satisfaction I always get when I use pencils. I do have Durban pastels, I have Stadler watercolors, I have pencil called Artlicious 50 series, and then I recently purchased a 160 set of Zena color. Okay. So to start off with, I really love this abstract colors, and this jacket says blendable pencils are perfect, rich, vibrant pigments and expertly balanced shades. I don't know why there is a hyphen with expertly, but anyways. Uh, okay, 120 color. Skip this aside. It's a tin box. I like the plain black with this silver font. Okay, so it's hinged. That is also good, so I don't have to worry. But I would have preferred if it was not hinged, because then I can keep the lid under the box. This way it will occupy a little extra space. Little, but fine. And there's a piece of foam to protect the pencils. I'm glad that they have provided a swatch chart in the box, so I don't have to worry, and I can just swatch it and keep it here itself. Now let's look at the colors. So this is the first layer. There is a smell to these pencils. Or at least I think so. I don't know. Maybe I'm smelling something else and I'm thinking of that. Okay, here I am a bit worried. Is there a pencil missing, or is it just... Yeah, so it was overlapping, and then this is the final uh, layer. So basically these three layers. Let's do a quick swatch. I will do a time lapse for the swatching because I really don't want you to go through the whole uh, process. Also, I don't think I will be able to make out the names because they are in, I think, Chinese or Japanese, but probably Chinese. So yeah, it's the pencils that are smelling. It's like some sort of fat or something like that. Sorry for the weird comparison. But anyways, so there is a number over here, but the name is something which I cannot make out. So what I'll do is I'll just put the numbers, and I will put the color next to it, and let's see. Maybe I need to first arrange them in the serial number, because I really don't even know if they are in series or they are not. So first I'll do that. Let me come back. So I finally managed to sort them out by serial number, and this is what they look like. So this is from 1 to 40, this is from 41 to 80, and this is the rest of it. I must say the pencils smell horrible. Anyways, let me start. Let me get started with the swatching. Just a note over here. So the way I have done the swatching is that I have considered each box as three parts, and I have colored each box with three layers. So the first layer was covering the whole small box. The second layer was only up till half, and the last one was like one third. So that's how I have done it. And for each of the pencil, I have the lightest, the medium, and the darkest swatch over here. So finally I have finished swatching the 120. I did make a mistake in the numbering. I forgot to put 77 and I was thinking why I had one blank space. Now I know why I had one blank space. Uh, that being said, I don't know what the logic behind the numbering sequence was, because the numbers are like, if you see the color range, it's not the same shades. It's just the, I think like up to the 40s, it makes some sense, but after that it's like, I think they just added colors which they developed. I don't know. For me, the biggest problem with these pencils is the smell. They are leaving a smell even on my hand. If you are somebody who is sensitive to strong smells, I don't think you will be very comfortable with this. I'm not sure if the smell will go away with time, but the problem is that I think it's the lead, the ingredients in the lead is what causes it to smell. So I don't think the smell will go away. Um, on the positive note, the colors are very soft. You can feel like they are almost like waxy, though the carton says oily colored pencils. And as you can see, I'm not even good at gradients, and yet you can see it's very easy to do shading. You just keep on layering and it really gives you a different color as you keep on layering it. So it's a good purchase. So anyways, because of the vibrancy of the colors, yes, and if you don't have an aversion to strong smells, you should probably think of investing in these, especially the 120 set. It's really good. Very good for layering. So I will put a link in the description box below for these pencils, and if you are thinking of investing and adding to your collection, then please do consider using the link I have provided. If you have not yet subscribed, then please do so. Thank you for having stopped by. Have a nice day. Bye.